And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Poppy here. When I looked at the video I posted very early this morning, I got to bed after 1 o'clock, and that was a minute and a half after the upload finished. Yeah. Anyway, I watched the footage and I noticed that you just couldn't see me working on this. You couldn't see what my hands were doing. All I can say is I'm going to be 65 next Monday. It's hot, and I didn't drink no beer yesterday. That may be the problem. I've been old and it's been hot before, but okay, so I'm gonna do a little zoomy woomy in here. Okay, jacking screw right here. I had to cut from basically in front of the camera, fool. Basically from here to there, all the way across, and then a little there. In here, these were pinching around it. They didn't get all the way to diameter opening up this. And there was two claws here grabbing the butt of the battery capsule. I cut this stuff away, opened this up, I got rid of these two claws here, and I put the 256, here we go, the 256 jacking screw in here. Now, boom! See that? It works! And the easiest way to get this out now, I'll turn it up, right, I'll turn it this way. Ta-da! I don't have to destroy the battery capsule to get it out no more. Out. This is the SDA laser. Let me zoom this out. There. If you want one of these, hey, they're a good tool. Don't let this one little flaw discourage you. It's a really good tool. Worth the almost $150 I paid for it. This company, if you want to go there online and check them out, it's www. One long word, lasercenteredgefinder.com, and you'll come to the place where they're selling these. There's two basic varieties. There's the battery, And then there's ones that the little cord from the wall wart plugs into. Unless you absolutely need battery and no power cord from somewhere, I suggest you get one of the ones that has a wall wart and it plugs into it. If you absolutely gotta have the battery, well, I showed you what I did, and there's some scans I made last night on my scanner. That should give you a real good idea of what I was done. Oh, and this here, you probably saw it. It's a piece of steel. That's the shear line collet, the 1/4-inch collet. I bought a brand new collet to go in my tool chest with the rest of my shear line stuff, because this one, perfect fit. So I dedicated this collet to this laser. Think about that. Anyway, good night from California. Try not to get burned up in a forest fire, or die a heat stroke, or have some idiot shoot you because he finally got out of the house and he's trigger happy. Don't do any of those things. Good night from California.